this amazing math problem. It's quite simple because 4 minus 4 times 4 minus 4 can be written as 0 times 0. So our answer will be equal to 0. And that is the method which is adopted by most of the people who are seeing this question. So 4 minus 4 will be 0 and 4 minus 4 it will be 0. 0 times 0 it will be 0. But remember that 0 answer is very sad news. It is incorrect. Now let us come to solve it again according to correct way, according to Pemdas, which is parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction rule. According to this rule, we have multiplication. So first step is to handle multiplication. 4 will be as it is, minus 4 times 4, minus 16, minus 4. Now 4 minus 16, it will be minus 12, minus 4, which will be solved to get minus 16, which will be the correct answer according to Pemdas rule. Or you can simply cancel 4 and minus 4. So our answer will be again minus 16, which will be correct answer for this Pemdas based activity. Thank you for your support, your response and your subscription.